So here's Locket Widget app, and I just upgraded to Locket Gold. I just want to share my experience. Is it worth it? Should you upgrade and all of that? So yeah, I think it should be available for you starting from this version one. So currently I'm on this latest update, 1.41.2. So yeah, if you just update to this latest version just in the App Store, I think you should be able to see now Locket Gold. Yeah, pretty cool. Overall, this has some nice positive response from the community. So let's just take a look. So where to find it? If you just tap in the top left on your profile, now you will able to see Locket Gold here. And then when you tap on it, so these are the features you can see. Longer videos, so now you can record up to 10 seconds. Before it wasn't possible to record up to that. Finally, you can upload from camera roll. That's like super long awaited feature for a Locket widget. So finally you can connect your photo library and you can upload from your camera roll. Yep, because there was Locket camera and there were other apps like Noted, Live Status, some other apps, and all of these Locket widget alternatives allowed you to select photos from camera roll, but not Locket. And it was kind of like a standalone feature for Locket widget app that, yeah, like you just can take live photos. But now I understand why they kept that, because they just wanted, to have Locket Gold to push people for premium subscription for that feature. So now you can do that. Send longer captions, so now you can just type more in the captions. I will show you. There's still a limit, but it's like a much longer text attached to your lockets. Locket views, so you can see who opened your lockets. Of course, you probably need to have more than 2 friends to have use of this feature. But then also finally, I think one of the most requested features is that you can have finally unlimited friends. So you can add as many friends as you'd like. Yeah, finally you can do that. Because the standard free limit is like 20 friends on Locket widget app, and it was quite irritating for a lot of people. But now finally you can add unlimited friends, and I don't have friends on this Locket camera app. But like a lot of power users, if you have actually in your community among your friends a lot of power users who use this app, you can actually, now you can add much more than 20 friends. And yeah, it's kind of cool. If you're using this app kind of like a social media app, then it definitely makes sense to have more than 20 friends. Then also you will get some early product updates, membership badge, monthly feature drops. Hopefully this list of features will extend, similar as they have on Snapchat Premium, on Snapchat Plus. They just keep adding new and new features every week or so, and the list keeps growing just to keep your subscription. So how expensive is it? So it's like $3.99 US per month, or $36 US per year. So it's not the cheapest. I think they could have made it like around $24 per year or something, but it's like 36, but it's not like over 100. So it's a reasonable pricing for these features. And if you're using this app, then yeah, like basically this can be a good price for that. So you can just have that. Also, if you want to request some additional feature, you can just tap here and send them an email to request some additional feature. Yeah, so let's just take a look. So first of all, you can attach this cool badge, Locket Gold badge, as you can see in the bottom right of my image. So you can just enable it here. That's one of the first features. Then you can, if you tap and hold, you can record longer videos. Just in my case, there is some kind of a bug like that. Even with Locket Gold, I can't send videos. I don't know why is that. This is just some kind of weird bug. I just like reached out to them and hope to get some reply. But yeah, basically then you can just also get access to your photos, and then you can post a photo to your Locket widget. So yeah, for example, I just select this, and yeah, finally, as you can see, I just give access to my camera roll, and I can finally upload photos from my camera roll. Super long awaited features. I think a lot of users were literally like begging for this feature. Finally it's available. And then yeah, so you can do that, and you can easily post it, and then you can also add a longer caption. uh, and then yeah, then you can just write text, and it is quite long, but I just want to give you so yeah, just how long is that? It's still not indefinite. You can't fill all the screen with letters and words, but anyhow, just to, so something like that. So this is the message you can write. I don't know how many characters is that. Maybe, I don't know, 100 or so. I'm not sure, but just to give you an impression like how long your caption can be now. In the begin, like in the free version, it's just much smaller. Then yeah, you can just send it. All other things are kind of the same captions and things like that. What else is there? So locket views. So yeah, if you go to a history of your lockets, now you can just see like no activity yet, but then you will be able to see who viewed your locket. It's pretty cool, similar as you have on Snapchat or like Telegram stories, whatever. It's not here yet. I don't have many friends on Locket, but that's that. Also, you see like with this yellow heart badge that now is just displayed next to my name. So this is like a yellow Locket badge, which you can see. So that's kind of quite cool. Yeah, so you can explore that. So that's the feature. And then unlimited friends, finally the most requested feature, I guess. Then you can just tap on your friends in top right. So you can just tap my friends, and then there is no limitation anymore that you can add up to 20 friends. There is no text here, so you can just add as many friends as you'd like. It's pretty cool. So in many other alternative apps to Locket, as I was telling, it was possible to add unlimited friends for a long time, for like years, I guess. But here in this app, it's yeah, it's only possible from now. So yeah, if you have a big community of friends, finally you can just, your friends who are on Locket, you can just use it freely. Of course, not everyone is adding images like every day or every week. Probably you can just do it with your girlfriend or with your partner. But like you know, it's still like if some people using Locket, you can just keep them here and you don't need to delete other people from there. Maybe of course this is only like for super users of this app, but still kind of quite fun feature. And then hopefully you will get some product updates, some monthly feature drops, so more and more features. And that's that. And what I really like about this subscription is that they just include a link in the bottom under request a feature to easily cancel it. So if you just tap on manage subscription, you are instantly redirected to settings app where you can just tap on Locket widget and easily cancel it. So I really like about this, because that's like a kind of sign of a class of the app, because like there are just a few apps who do that. Like majority of the apps, to cancel the subscriptions, I will just write something, hey, you just need to go through the Apple menu, like follow the standard procedure. A lot of users can get lost in that, because you need to open settings app or app store app and just go to your profile, go to your subscriptions, and from here you need to cancel it. In Locket widgets, they just put the link and they basically tell you, hey, if you don't like it, you can easily cancel it here. We don't need users like, you know, who are not engaged a lot and who just don't like it, and something like that. Yeah. But on the other hand, there is no free trial, so it's only $3.99 per month or $36 per year. I think it would be a good idea if they introduce some kind of free trial, at least on a yearly plan. Some other apps are doing that, like if you just have, if you want to have some, even like a month of free trial or 3 months, but no, maybe not. It's only like Apple Music who does that. But like, 7 days of free trial, 3 days of free trial, so people can try it out. But maybe, yeah, maybe they will add it in future. Who knows? But basically, that's the idea. So yeah, that's basically what it is. That's the Locket widget app. They also added quite a few other features like this wide zoom here. I don't know, flashlight, if it was here before. And yeah, hope there will be some other new features. You can send feature requests. For example, users looking for features like deleting messages. Can you delete messages in Locket? You still can't delete messages even with Locket Gold. So that's that. So yeah, anyhow, if let's just look through some of the reviews, if people are posting them. So there aren't that many reviews of Locket Gold yet. Maybe it's just not rolled out to everyone. And then yeah, some people say that they still can't get 20 plus, but now you can get it. So but yeah, however, I don't know in which countries this Locket Gold is being rolled out, either just like a test or something, because this app, it's not a big team. It's not a large corporation who's building this app. So they're constantly in development. They're testing features here and there. But yeah, I guess it's just a good timing when they release this update. It's close to the Christmas season, like, a lot of people trying doing some expenses and all of that. So that's a good timing if you want to get that. Also in other apps, in Snapchat Plus, you can gift a subscription. Here, you can't do that. So you can't gift it to anyone else, but there you have it. Hope it is helpful.